Hello there and welcome back to another exciting video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a reset button to a PDF form so you can easily clear all the fields with just one click. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Here's the PDF form where I want to add the reset button to clear all the fields. First, go to Prepare Form, add a button, and then go to its properties. Click on the Action tab. Next, under the Trigger section, select Mouse Up. Then, in the Action drop-down, choose Reset a Form. Click Add, and now you can choose whether you want to reset all fields or just specific ones. I'm going to select all fields and then hit OK. Once you're done, close this window. Now, let's test the button. I'll switch to Preview mode, fill in some dummy text, and click the Reset button. Perfect. It works like a charm. You can also customize the appearance of the button. To do that, go to the Options tab. You can change the button's color and add a label to it like Reset or whatever you prefer. And that's it. You've now added a fully functional reset button to your PDF form. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.